Good afternoon, everyone. I am Sonam, Assistant Professor from Nursing Department. So today I am discussed about the sources and method of data collection. What is data? The word data is a plural form of the word datum, which means information that is systematically collected in the course of the study. Data are observable and measurable facts that provide information about the phenomena under study. Data collection is the process by which the researcher collects the information needed to answer the research problem. Next is sources of data. There are two sources of data. First, primary sources, and second is secondary sources. Primary sources both are internal and external data. So what is primary sources? Like people's primary sources is in which we collect first hand informations like direct from the people's object, institution, program, and etc. And secondary in which we collect second hand informations like not original sources, we collect informations to other persons, yeah, other sources. It is two type, internal sources as well as external sources. Internal sources are considered in private documents and external sources are considered in public document. Internal sources like that letters, diaries, biographies and memories. And external sources published, it can be published and unpublished also. Published sources like that journals, communication report, mass communication, census reports, government reports, newspaper and magazines. And unpublished sources like that officials or patient records, unpublished dissertations and reports. Next are the terms which we are used in data collections. There are some terms like that method of data collections. What is method of data collection? The various step or stage is used for gathering and analyzing data in research. Investigations are known as the method of data collection. Next is technique of data collection. The means of gathering data with the use of specific tools that are used in given method are known as technique of data collection. Next is data collection. What is data collection? Are research instruments is a device used to measure the concept of interest in a research project that a researcher used to collect data. Next are the types and tools of methods. There are many type techniques like that interview, questionnaire, observations method, biophysiological methods and others methods. Factors of selecting data collection methods. First, and nature of the phenomena under study. Nature of the phenomena under study largely influences the choice of the method of data collection. Each research phenomena has its particular characteristics and therefore needs different approaches and methods of data collections. Second, types of research objects. Types of research objects. Data collection method are also influenced by the type of subject under study. For example, data collection from physically or psychologically disabled subject can be done either by interviews or through observation, where data collection through questionnaire is not feasible. Next, types of research study. Types of research study, quantitative as well as qualitative research study, need different method of data collections. Next, purpose of the research study. The purpose of the study also influences the choice of the method of data collection, such as in a study conducted with the purpose of exploration of phenomena. In-depth interviews may be needed for data collection, while study conducting with purpose of description or correlation of study variables may need more structured method of data collection. Next, fifth, size of the study sample. When a study is conducted on a small group, Interviews or direct observation may be possible. While these methods can be tried for large groups, for large sample, questionnaires can be better and more preferable method of data collection. Next is time frame of the next is distributions of the target population. If target population is spread in a large geographical area, it will not be possible to carry out interviews or observation, and therefore cautionary may be a better opinion in that situations. Time frame of the study. If a researcher is conducted for the long time, it may permit the researcher to use the less structured method of data collection to gain in-depth information, while short time frame studies may not allow the researcher to use the unstructured method of data collection. Availability of resources and manpower. Some of the methods of data collection require more quantities of resources and manpower, such as conducting interviews and observation compared to the use of questionnaires. Researcher knowledge level and competencies. The researcher knowledge and competencies also affect the selection of methods of data collection. For example, conducting an interview observation may require spatial, social, and psychological knowledge, skills, and competencies, while the use of questionnaires may not demand these skills.